It's part 2. So, akala nyo tapos na, no? Hindi pa. A1 The World is up and welcome to part 2 ng Zarkman vs. The World for year 2024. And ngayon, tayo ay aalis. Papunta naman tayo ngayon ng Miri. We're gonna go to the airport. Miri is located in Sarawak, which is in Malaysia. I think it's near Borneo na or bordering Borneo. So that's very interesting dahil kasi it's going to be my first contest there and it's going to be my first time in Malaysia. So, akala mo no, the stars aligned. I always wanted to go to Malaysia kaso ang problema, the food challenges na nakita ko were either no longer available and I think kasi parang hindi masyadong popular yung food challenges there. Pero we have been invited by Borneo Food Challenge to do a contest there. We're going to take on yung 8-minute Sarawak Cake Lapis Food Challenge, which is yung pencil cake. I just really hope it turns out right. Yung flight natin is going to be 12:22. It's only 9:30. I figured dahil kasi it's going to be like a 10-hour flight kasi going there. Dahil may connecting tayo. Where I'm going to get like lunch na dun sa baba sa no? So, ito mo na. At least. Tapos nun, kung makakuha pa ako ng pagkain siguro dun sa layover or I might eat lang dun sa hotel. Pero ang dating kasi namin dun, mga bandang 11 p.m. So, that's that. I'm not really sure din kung meron akong in-flight meal pero kung wala, di wala. Right? Sige, let's get to it. Doon kasi nakalagay yung mga camera gear ko dahil kasi as much as as much as I want to travel light na muna, I want to make the most and try out. Maganda yung maleta na binili ko sa Japan, sobrang tibay. So, maliban doon, let's play around the idea na to kaysa magdala ako ng bag dahil kasi it's attributing to back pain. Gamitin natin yung maleta. I see people do it. Mukha naman wala na tayong masama. Just inhaled yung Baxilog. This is a very clutch decision. So, I mean, dahil kasi matagal na akong bibiyahe. Booking Grab right now, so kailangan natin pumalik sa unahan. Yeah. It's going to be pretty much my only meal for the day, more or less. Saan naman tayo sa ganito? Just to ease my mind and everybody else is watching, or everyone watching. Basta ganun. Napag-check-in ako actually the other day. So, safe to say, hindi na rin naman sila alis without me. So, since naka-check-in na ako, I just have to print the boarding pass pagdating sa airport and we're gonna all go our way. I just hope na hindi ito mag-exceed na 7 kg. Dito na pa, sir? So, for the umpteenth time, I'm here at the airport. Okay, pasok na nga tayo. Alright, checked in, nakuha na yung mga boarding pass. Ngayon naman na kailangan natin gawin is e-travel, tapos immigration, and then the gate. Here's the gate. So, pwede naman na tayo. Gusto ko yung medyo maganda na makakuha tayo ng picture ng plane. We're changing boarding gates dahil yung flight na dapat lilip pa. Hindi. Yung flight na dapat magbo-board dun sa gate namin ay na-delay. So, stuff like this happens. Na-assign kami ng bagong gate and nandito ako sa Walkalator going there. Yung pang tapos siya kapit. Talking to my friends right now, so shout out kay Zermat. Yeah. Can't wait to go back to Singapore, dude. So, sabi ko nga sa kanya, parang there's one challenge he did before na I kind of wanna do din. So, tingnan natin kung magmamaterialize. Let's just manifest. Just like every goal I set in my pro eating career. Manifest and it'll happen. So, yun yung gate. Something like that. Tapos, meron tayong almost 3-hour na layover sa KL for the connecting flight going to Miri. So, from KL naman going to Miri, that's going to be from 7 o'clock. Tapos, darating ako doon mga around 10 or 11, mga ganun. So, malamang sa malamang dyan, I'm going to be coming in late. Wala may issue sa akin. Siguro pagdating ko na lang doon, I just have to, probably get like eSIM, ganun. Tapos, kailangan ko din tanungin pala sa Michelle if once we go there, kung meron pa susundo sa amin or do we go to the airport directly. Dahil kasi a couple of concerns with mine would be like, first, pag dumating ba kami doon is yun nga, kung meron susundo. Pangalawa, if mag-commute kami or mag-taxi ako, let's go, baby!
Bye-bye! We appreciate your cooperation. Please make way for passengers behind you to proceed to their seats. Thank you. Terima kasih atas kesamaan anda. Penumpang di belakang anda terus maju.
I'm in the
Cloudy. For your safety and comfort, kind passengers.
brand new country touchdown Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so paglabas natin ngayon, ano tayo? Tanong tayo kung saan yung sa mga magkakonective. We're going there. Alright, so nagtanong ako dun sa tourist information, tapos sabi daw niya, since technically I already have my boarding pass, pwede na akong mag-antay dun sa gate for check-in. Pretty much have a layover for 2 hours, and I was actually thinking kung saan ako pwedeng kumain. Pero since wala pa akong Malaysian RM, at saka mukhang yung Forex ay nandun sa labas, mukhang probably use the credit card. This is where we're going. So, bahal na mamaya. Yeah. May coffee machine dito. Kinda want to try it. Ito yung mga choices. Diretso tayo dito. I mean, what are the likely chances na may pagkain dun? Sana meron. Ang cool. So, sige, habang umikot tayo dito sa Walk later. So, immigration went technically smooth. Ang problema kasi, nagkaroon sila na parang automated machine. Kaso, nung nilalagay ko na kasi yung passport ko, parang lahat ng mga machine sa pinasukan ko nag-error. Tapos, kawawa kasi si IO, isa lang siya. Tapos, ang dami kagad, isang bultuhan kagad yung volume. Anyway, sa importante na Iraqus. Check out this mandala. Galing na. Dati, nung sa class namin sa Eastern Philosophy kasi we did mandala making, mandala drawing. Might pick up on the habit again. Maybe in the future. Ikot pa nga tayo. Ang iniisip ko kasi, dahil wala pa akong Malaysian ringgit, kung mag-ano ako, babayad ako ng pagkain, gusto ko ay cash na lang. Ayoko mag-credit card. Pero, walang forex dito sa loob. They're vlogging me. Mga tropa natin mula sa Thailand. So, there's Toei and then there's EaterX. Si EaterX, for the first time ko siya makikilala properly. Oh, so nice.
My thing is buy it for Okay, how
EaterX and Toei. So kasama ko na si Toei at saka si EaterX. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog dahil kasi nakipagkwentuhan na muna ako. Dahil kasi it's actually my first time din to converse with the Thai pro eaters. And yung sabi nga sa akin ni Sean, ni Zermatt, both of these guys are really strong. Oh, right guys. waiting for boarding time. So it's already 7:20 here. And ang flight daw is around 7:30, 7:40 boarding. So we're going to have like around less 3 hours na flight papunta Miri. And after that, we're going to check in. So susundin kami ng shuttle. Yeah, meron na daw ride dun, sabi ni organizer. Tapos we're going to rest. I really hope may dinner. Gutom eh. Yun talaga, ang huli ko pang kain sa Pilipinas pa. May mga nakapila na dito sa unahan namin. So, inaantayin lang namin kung magbo-board na. Sabi daw ni EaterX kung ano daw eh. Yun na daw yung flight pamiri. It's better na magantayin lang tayo para mabilisan yung pag-fly. It's actually a late night eh. Kaya everybody's, excited to go. Okay, boarding na. For the second time today, let's go baby!
Set of cases and handbags are to be placed under the seat. Para tamu yang dihormati, kita baru saja mendarat di lapangan terbang Miri.
Touchdown, Miri. Okay, so ngayon, ang kailangan natin gawin, tayo ay pupunta sa... Well, technically, diretso ako agad sa transport, pero gusto ko magpapalit. Yeah, for this change. Rural vibes, I think. I don't think kung saan located to dito sa Malaysia, pero I think it's pretty much in Gulf. Kasi siguro bordering ito ng Borneo. Oh yeah. I'm at the room. We got bed. We got TV. We got workspace. We got dresser. We got closet. So, pinapakusahan ng sarili sa panood ng mga videos. So, with that being said, I'm going to catch you na siguro tomorrow pagising and tingnan natin kung ano mangyari. So, that's day 0 from me, from Miri. So, catch me in the next vlog kung ano mangyari. Yeah, I'm kind of pooped. So, good night.